If you have gray hair and you want to safely color it to black in 5 minutes, then this video is for you. This is how my gray is looking. My grays are mainly in my middle part. I was born with this, so it's very stubborn. It grows very fast, especially when I'm using our oils. But it also make me look older. Because of that, I love to color my grays. If you have been following my channel, then you know we love to use our hand down and indigo two-step process. That process takes a long time. It takes time to make the henna the night before and then apply it to the hair, wait, rinse it out, and then go in with the indigo. But this is my second method. If I want to change my gray hair and I don't have a lot of time, I go in with my Herbish shampoo. This is a shampoo plus conditioner, so it shampoo your hair and then it also color your hair, and it also has moisturizing property in it with the conditioner. The pack says you can color your gray within 5 to 15 minutes, but being that my gray is very stubborn, I love to leave it on for the 15 minutes, and by the time I rinse it out, my gray hair will turn to black. Now, a lot of people love to ask me how long does this last? The right answer is that it varies and it depends on how fast your hair grows. Because your gray hair is growing from your scalp. If we grow, example, half of inch of hair a month, that is how soon your gray gonna grow back in. But that doesn't mean you have to color your gray hair every month. I just love to change my parts once my gray hair come in, and I will do this about 3 times, 2 to 3 times a year. I do not wear my hair straight down the middle continuously. If you do that, that's also not great because it also causes thinning in that area. Again, once the gray come in that area, I part my hair to other areas that the gray wouldn't show. And this is how my hand is looking. But I think if I wash it for the next 2 days, it's gonna go away. Please don't make this mistake. I don't know what was going through my brain, but I just wash my hands a couple of times with soap, and this is how it look. Maybe by tomorrow, because I wash my hand a lot of during the day, it's gonna go away. But I have a black hand. But this is how my hair is looking. My grays I stop on, it said 5 to 15 minutes, but I'm gonna leave it on for the 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna go and shampoo my hair. I'm still touching it. I rinse this out first, and then I will shampoo with keratin shampoo, and then I will also, after that, I will go with a bonding shampoo and a silk shampoo. I plan on shampooing my hair 3 times because I also went on a 30-day hair growth journey challenge, so I did not shampoo my hair for the past 30 days, so I really need to get in there and really shampoo my hair. So after shampooing for all that amount of time, I will come and show you guys and see how it looks. But it's not my first time using this Herbish shampoo, and it always get the job done for me. It color my gray hair just like that. And the good thing I love about it is that it's made with clean ingredients and natural ingredients, so it's not something that I'm just using like chemicals. You guys know I don't stand chemicals anymore. But the next time I'm doing my color, I'm gonna do our henna and our indigo. That's something I know which is 100% safe because it's just herbs mixing together to change our hair from gray to black. But if you want to give this Herbishh shampoo a try, if you don't want to do the two-step henna treatment and you want something that can change your hair from gray to black very fast in 5 to 10 minutes, and I would recommend this brand because this is a brand that I've used and it gets the job done and the ingredients are clean. A week later, I totally forgot at the end of the video, so there you have it. I just oiled the middle part of my scalp with our caffeine oil, but as you guys can see, all my gray hair is gone. And I'm gonna do this about 2 or 3 times a year, also depending on how fast my gray come in. But since we are doing our challenge, so within 30 days, my grays grow back a lot because I oil my scalp every day with our caffeine oil. But apart from that, this works, and this is very fast. Like I mentioned earlier on, I love our henna and indigo, but it takes hours. This is only 5 to 10 minutes. It depends on your stubborn grade. Like if you have regular grade, 5 minutes. Mine, I have a very stubborn grade, so 15 minutes. But it works, guys. It works, and the ingredients are clean. Thanks for watching. If you love this video, you know exactly what to do. You've been following me for a long time now. Or if you are new here, I'm pretty sure you know how YouTube works. So I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.